You have to go all the way down. Our car is somewhere there. There. My uncle, he went off all the way down, slowly stopping. He stopped in the place. Me and Nelson and we both were standing, taking pictures. The gimbal was with us. He took off the camera and he went. Stopped at one place. The view was nice. Okay, we'll take pictures. Clicking pictures on the GoPro. Suddenly, some people come and sit there only to take rest. And I go, done with the photo shoots, You're going trekking back down. We're going all the way. Suddenly I slipped, but I didn't fall. Suddenly even Nelson and I slipped, but he didn't fall. I was like, he was holding the gimbal. I was like, even if you fall, no problem, but the gimbal shouldn't fall. Amma. நீங்களும் பரவாயில்ல, இது ஒழுந்துச்சுன்னா அவ்வளோதான், நம்மள அவர் எங்கேயே விட்டு போயிடுவாரு. ஆட்டோ பிடிச்சிட்டு வாங்கடா நீங்கள். The way down is so scary. Uncle is already gone there down and he sat. ரொம்ப பயங்கரமாக இருக்குது ஸ்டெப்ஸு. My legs are paining already. Amma. And afterwards, we somehow with all struggle we reached down. After reaching down, our legs were literally shivering, like basement weak, body strong. That it was. We reached the car, took a U-turn and we went back. So we had to change the hotel also, no? We have to shift the accommodation, the place. So there's another place we went to was Sobagu Homestay. Oh, the location of that place, no? Finally, we've reached. My legs are automatically shivering.
Same here. Look at my right leg now.
Same.
See? If you bend your leg, it's starting to shiver. Simply bend your leg. Bend your knee. Strong. Very good. Do that.
Now where we are going? Okay. And we're gonna have lunch. Brunch actually, no? Ours is brunch. So we went. So while we were searching for the place, it was near the Mullyanagiri peak itself. So it was peaceful for us to reach there very soon. So we went. We didn't reach there. So we had to take a deviation from the tarmac to the mud road. So the person who suggested that hotel place, he was like, we went in I-20. Karala hogalla, ille nilsbidi, nam innavadalli hogbidana. Then we called the hotel person. He was like, illa sir barutte. I was like, okay fine, it will come. It was mud road. I was like, okay, this is peaceful, we can go. We were like praising Hyundai cars. Hyundai, you don't manufacture 4x4 only. This I-20 is only enough. See how it is going. Now we are praising it. We are full Josh and all. We had plans of buying Thar and all. But seeing I-20 going that road, we were like, I don't need Thar, nothing. I-20 is enough. Blue Lagoon. Car can go peacefully, uncle. Come left there.
Better. Agate sir. This is way better than Sajiv Estate off-roading.
Okay. Hyundai people should see this. I-20 going off-roading and all.
They'll cry you. You know what I feel like doing then?
Yeah.
Starting up
Go off.
here.
Okay. I thought you wanted to go inside the bush.
Here and all nothing there I told you, no, this and all I don't feel like that. Only when I'm at a very high place, no, I feel like jumping.
Countrysides and all, no? Paddy fields. This is center of the paddy field.
Yeah.
You know that Interstellar story, uncle?
Uh-huh.
That paddy field, he goes inside the paddy
Yeah.
field. He literally grew 500 acres of paddy field.
Yeah, actually for the movie.
For the movie. And whatever the paddy he got from that field, he gave it to those farming people. Whatever he invested in that paddy field, he got that money back.
Oh.
Forgot the director's name. What's his name?
Christopher Nolan.
Yeah, Christopher
How
Nolan.
can you forget his name?
Suddenly it didn't come. Suddenly it
Get
didn't
down.
come. Suddenly it didn't come.
Karingo.
All the kind of
Nolan's
movies he
name.
makes. No? Yeah, suddenly I forgot his name.
I don't know what kind of.
For me, James Cameron is coming in the mouth. Hyundai people, please make off-road in I-20. See, 4-wheel drive in I-20.
Yes, please.
After that, you must see the struggle. All the four wheels are spinning. Rotating, but the car is there only. Like this 1000 wala, you will keep on the road and just light it up. Like pata 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 pata, all the sound will come now. The stones were like just going off from the wheel like this. I mean, the stones were literally breaking. Fully right. Full right, full right. Because only mud is there. So my uncle was like, he was like asked me and Nelson and to just go and tell the hotel people so that they'll send their car or something. So we went. That was also a slope. Already we came for him a trek. Again another slope, means like ayyo. So in the map it just told 100 meters. 100 meters only now we'll go.
So showing it's a little further ahead.
I'll go and tell them. Huh?
Yeah.
Hyundai i20 is not coming after this.
Satyama vandadadu.
அப்படியே ஓட்டின்னு வந்துட்டாருன்னா போயிட்டுருக்கோம் வீடு. Again trekking to the hotel. ஐயோ ஷூஸ் எல்லாம் நாஸ்தி. So we went on top. I took my GoPro also with me, so I was recording and going. Halfway GoPro was like, camera is eaten and it switched off. I was like, ayya, and we left. And we both were going. And there was a board telling IBC, Blue Valley, something. Actually, we had to find for Sobagu. We forgot. We were searching for Blue Valley. And it showed down. It showed right. So that right was full slope, full trees covered and all. Like some dense forest it was. We got scared. No network in the phone also. I can't call my uncle and tell that we are here at the hotel and all. So we went down. No people, nothing. Okay. So unfortunately, the i20 couldn't reach its destination.
Hyundai, please make 4x4 vehicles.
அவங்ககிட்ட இருக்குது இல்லையா 4x4 50 lakhs 60 lakhs. The i20 is stuck there. We are parking in this dense forest. Seriously.
No. We are still walking and going. Is that location which you shared, no? Which is there on the GPS? That's just the board. Yeah, board. The board of the property. I'll reach that place and call you then.
Whatever this resort name is, please make good road to your hotel so that it is accessible and the place is scary. So we saw one sheet house, like this sheet house, and we asked them. They were all like this hunter types and all, topless but full towel, lungi, trousers and all. They were wearing as men standing. Seeing that, no, you know what Nelson and I told, நான் ஏதாவது விட்டுறேன் போகிறான்.
நம்மள பேக் பண்ணிட்டு போறாங்க இப்போ.
That's all. They're gonna pack us. They're gonna tie us. They'll carry us in the gunny bag. What he told us, they'll put Ajay in the fridge, and Nelson in 1 week they'll cut liver separate, kidney separate. Now they'll fry and eat. After 1 week they'll take me out of the fridge and they'll cook and eat it seems. They're literally like that. We asked them where is homestay. He's like akade hogi. Avante kelunga.
Bro, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಾ ಪೇಸ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ.
ಬ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ?
ಅಂಟ್ರಾ.
ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇದೇ ರೋಡ್ ದಾನ.
ಈ ರೋಡಾ? ಬ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್.
Location is nice. எனக்கு ரேட்டிங்ஸ் எவ்வளோ கொடுக்கணும் லொக்கேஷனுக்கு? 10 out of 10. சத்தியமாக ரூம் இப்படி தான் இருக்குது, ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க. அந்த வியூ எப்படி இருந்தது? ரெசார்ட் எங்கே இருக்குது? மூட்டை கட்டிட்டு போயிட்டாங்கண்ணா.
பேக் பண்ணிவிடும். அம்மான்னு கத்த முடியாது, தாத்தான்னு கத்த முடியாது. இப்போ இப்படியா இருந்தோம் மேலே
Where's the resort? We are going, we can't find. Hardly one Chotu fellow came. He's like, illa sir, illen booking illa hogi. No booking. Try to call him, he's not, no network. So he gave his phone, he asked us to call. Behind return, our dog is sitting in a weird way and staring at us. Like, is it a dog or a wolf? Or a hyena? Yeah. It was staring at us like the way how hyena looks. He was like, Ajay, gone. Pakka, they are gonna pack us up and take and go. We are dead. Then we came, they like, okay, we'll go back. After we went a little far, we found network in Nelson and Aswal. He called my uncle. My uncle was like, already reached the hotel. We were like, where is the hotel? You have to go straight and not take right. We took right and we came off. And my uncle told they'll come in the jeep and pick you guys up. I'm like, okay, fine. That was again a climb up. We are climbing. Couldn't. Then we saw one gypsy coming. One gypsy came, like one savior he came.
The man who came to save us in this forest.
Couldn't record all this in the GoPro. Battery went low. All my extra batteries were in the car. So the gypsy fellow came. We sat in the car. I sat in the front, Nielsen and I sat in the car. It was just like 50 meters from that spot to the hotel. We're jumping and going. We're literally jumping and going. I was, at least in the small place, you know, gypsy is back space, no? How big it is. Nelson and I was all rolling over. If the car rolls over, how it rolls over, he was rolling over like that and sitting. We reached the spot. I'll show the room tour and all. It's called Sobagu Homestay. In case you guys are going, just see the view. Just for the view, you can pay the money. So at last, so much of struggle, we've reached the spot. My hair is also messy. We went to some wrong resort walking. The battery went low. Now look at this spot. Look at this view. Nothing much, no? Now wait, I'll show you something. So this is a room tour. I'll give room tour. Let me see. Room tour I'm giving. Room tour. Such a big mirror if Ammu has, no?
She will never go to school again.
How was the experience, uncle?
I almost thought I destroyed my car.
The video is there. We'll send it to Hyundai.
Tell them to put 4 wheels.
Look at this view. We'll put chairs there.
Why chairs? We do have rocks.
Rocks there. And sit. Campfire. There one campfire. Here one campfire. Sorted. இது ஃபுல்லாக அந்த பெரிய நயகரா ஃபால்ஸ் மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா
பண்ணிடலாம் Photoshop.
We can do Photoshop. Make it like Niagara Falls. 1 month. Sit here only. Go fishing. Peacefully go fishing.
வந்து உட்காந்து பாரு அதில் லீஃப் எப்படி இருக்குது.
நாம் நடந்து வந்த ட்ரெக்குக்கு கீழே உட்காந்தாலும் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்கும். We were crying without tears, uncle, over there.
It's like this.
We were standing and crying without tears in our eyes. So it's how you get home cooked food over there. Nice view. So after that, the plan was we had to go to the cafe, World of Coffee. We had to go there and meet that person. Seeing that road condition, no, you're like, don't need. Let's just stay at the room. We stayed there. Time just passed by. We were seeing the view, taking some videos, time lapses, sitting and talking, chit chatting and all. Time just went by, night we slept. So literally only we 3 were there in that entire resort and the resort management obviously. Hello, what's your name? क्या है आपका नाम? Photography sessions is happening. Photography sessions. அப்படியே ஏறி உட்காந்துக்கோங்க. ட்ரைபாட் மேலே இல்லை, இது மேலே ரேலிங்ஸ் மேலே.
Careful of the tripod. Yeah.
know your parents have two other siblings, but still.
level.
See that side.
So this is the homestay we were staying. Looks decent now. Only 3 rooms. They have campfire and all. Sorted. Haha, they slept off. I have to get used to talking to camera. Only one tree standing separate over there. So the next day, nothing much. The last day we had to leave. So we checked out the resort. Unfortunately, I was recording all that. I thought I was recording all that, but I was not recording all that. Good morning, no?
Good morning, Ajay.
How was your day?
Day was so amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I am gonna regret now for leaving this place.
Mm-hmm.
But still, we'll be back in another 2 months.
Same place?
Same place.
We are checking out this place. See the view for one last time. See the view. There is some fire also happening. There, I will zoom it later. Bye-bye. We checked out the place and they didn't accept card. So we didn't have cash also. The only thing was we had card. It was like, Paragala sir, you city go Google Pay Madi. So we went to the city, went back to the world of coffee. My uncle was doing some photo shoots and all. So apparently what my uncle does is he does food photography. So you can check his Instagram. I'll just put his Insta name somewhere here or here, somewhere here. I'll put up his name. Do go check out the amount of gadgets he has for all this photography and all. Very good. Just follow his page. And also, I told you, the hill climb, the car got so messed up. The white car became, so like we went for desert safari. Look at our car, how messy it is. Messi. Lionel Messi. Look at the car. Full mud. And that's all. There's nothing much. We left Chikmagalur. I didn't record also. There's nothing. I slept. Nilsson and I slept. My uncle was driving and coming. We came back to Bangalore. That's all. So that's it much of this trip. A small, nice. It was like a small getaway for us from our daily lives. Obviously you need some, no? I know other than the camera I'm seeing everywhere in my room. I also made some small setup and all. Change and all, just small temporary one. So in case you guys like this video, please like, share, comment, and mainly subscribe to the channel, and please click that bell icon also there, no, so that will be useful, so that you would be aware of my next videos and all. It's okay even if you don't press the bell icons. I'll be sharing everywhere, no. Thanks for the support you gave me for the last couple of videos. Only 2 videos. Just a small way of seeing my talents. So that's it. See you guys in the next video. Tata. Bye bye. Namaskar.
Photo.
Record.
Record. YouTube.